To subscribe to my channel, click on that red subscribe button and do click on the bell icon button to get notified.
Hi guys, Tanisha here and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we'll see how to make our own stickers at home. Now it's a super easy way to make it and I'm just gonna show it to you today. So these are all the things that you will need. First, we'll take a white paper. Now I've taken a paper which was like super glossy. You can take any paper you want and you can choose the thickness. Now I'm gonna choose the WhatsApp emojis. So for that I've taken a cap, a Fevicol cap, and I'm starting to draw circles now. I've drawn about 10 circles. Again, you could just choose your size and you know what you want to draw, or if you do not want to draw, you can also get them printed. Now I'm done with these. I'm gonna go ahead and draw some hearts and other emojis. Now again I'm drawing in some different shapes. I've drawn a pizza, a watermelon, a cactus, a egg, and you know I'm just gonna randomly draw whatever I find. I'm mostly using the WhatsApp emojis. You can again go ahead and draw anything. Now we'll take some sketch pens and start coloring our emojis and all the shapes that we have drawn. Once we have colored, we'll take a marker and make an outline of these. I've completed coloring all of them and I made the outline for them, and I personally find them super cute. Now this is done, so we are gonna go ahead and cut all of them individually. Once we have cut all of this, we are gonna take a clear tape, preferably of this size, because it's gonna be easy to stick it. In case you do not have this size, then you can just go and take a normal size and you know stick multiple layers on the sticker. Now stick it as shown. This will help you know the ink to stay intact and your sticker won't spoil because of this. We will repeat the same process with all the other stickers. Once this is done, we will again go ahead and cut all of them individually. And once you cut them individually, you can just cut off the excess tape from that. So I've cut all my stickers and then I've just cut out the excess tape from that. So this is how they will look now. Next, I'll take a double-sided tape. Now this is a very thin paper type of a double-sided tape. So what will we do is we will start to stick our stickers on the double-sided tape like I'm showing you. Now I did not have a very thick double-sided tape, so I just went ahead and took a thinner one. Again, I'm gonna repeat the same step for all the stickers, and if your sticker is bigger than your tape, then you can just stick multiple layers of your tape on that. Here I'll show you how to stick multiple layers of the tape on your sticker. Once you're done sticking all your stickers on your double-sided tape, go ahead, cut them individually and just shape it out like you want. Here I'm not leaving any white space around the sticker, but you can definitely leave some white space. And you know, it's a super easy process and it's obviously very fun to do because you get a lot of stickers in hand. Here I'm cutting out all the excess double-sided tape that I had put. It had multiple layers, so yeah, there was a lot of excess tape. So our stickers are ready. This is one way of making the stickers. There is another way to make the stickers. For that I'll be uploading a video very soon. Till then, do tell me in the comment section below if you like this or you know if you make these. I also made a couple of other stickers that I'm showing you over here. Now I made these for my journal, so yeah, you could also do that. Again, I'm gonna take all of them and store them in a box, or you know, you could just store them wherever you want. So that's it for my today's video. If you are new to my channel and you have liked what you have seen so far, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Also, the links for my Facebook and Instagram pages will be given in the description box below. So do follow me there. And if you happen to recreate any of my DIYs, do tag me on my social media with the hashtag Tanisha's Art Network. So that's it for today's video. I'll meet you in my next video. Bye bye.